Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder can present in different ways. One of the way it present is with inattentive symptoms. And an inattentive presentation of ADHD, the child struggle paying attention, easily gets bored, gets distracted, and needs frequent reminder to stay on task, and often forgetful and loses things, misplaces things like small things like pencils, homework, having difficulty completing assignment or submitting the assignment, and often their room is very messy, they are very disorganized. And if we ask parents that if you tell your child to do two or three things at the same time, they often tell that yeah, they do one thing and then they have to remind them again. So often when you find your child struggling with paying attention, easily getting bored, easily getting distracted, zoning out, making careless mistakes, even in subjects that he or she or they are really interested in, and also being very disorganized and messy in terms of keeping things. So please, it's important to realize it could be related to the ADHD inattentive type.